G'day ladies and germs, Conor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video, and today we're doing a review on the new lights from Cololight, and Cololight is now in Australia. This is the Cololight Mix Kit. It's behind me here, looks pretty good if you ask me. Let's get into the specs, the features, and why I think this is a good little buy. Without further ado, let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Okay, so the Cololight Mix is what we're looking at today. This is the initial starter module that you would use to set these up. And as you can see, I have 5 of them behind me here that are stacked up neatly on top of each other, and they can be changed to be whatever shape you want them to be. So that's the first thing that's pretty cool. And then you can just lie them around, or you can actually mount them wherever you choose to. There is some mounting 2-sided tape in here that you can use to put these where you want to. Now, a bit more about the features and your options for mounting in a minute or two, but first we're just going to have a look at some more of the specs of the Cololight Mix. Now, the first thing I recognize about these is when setting them up, it was very simple. It was just pretty much just download the Cololight app and follow the steps. Now, you might remember a while back, a fair while ago, I actually did a review on a Cololight as a strip light, and it is here behind me as well. It's behind the Cololight Mix Kit there across the butcher's rack, and it has been my go-to strip light forever. It's been my most favorite because of the features that it offers. Now, you can program it, you can create your own lighting with these Cololights. So the Cololight Mix is currently in unicorn mode. That's where it changes these rainbowy colors. Just automatically by itself, it's programmed to do it. Now, you have many different options to choose from for this, and then you can also create your own design as well, which is pretty cool. Not a lot of apps give you that feature, but here it's a bit like of a lab section in the app where you can go in and create your own design when it comes to the light and how it changes and reacts and that sort of thing. You can also have it to sync with music. So it can either sync to the beat of the music, or it can sync to the beat of the music playing on your phone, or through the actual light themselves. You choose which one you prefer, which I think is good fun as well for a party to have lights syncing with the music. Now, these guys actually won a CES award in 2021 for innovation for these lights, and you can see why. They do offer a lot when it comes to that lab section of the app, which I'm talking about, customization, creating your own designs. It really is awesome, and I encourage anyone who's getting this Cololight to get in there and play around with it until you end up with something you really like. Now, you do also have group settings here as well. So there you can have each light reacting according to how you set it up in the app, or you can have them all reacting the same. And one of the things I just loved about the Cololight was those options within the app, but was also the color that it was putting out. And I do notice the difference in colors when it comes to these smart lights. And I think a lot of them are just quickly thrown together. Lenovo springs to mind for cheap prices, but they're strung together quickly and cheaply, and you can tell the light's not as good. Whereas with the Cololight, the strip light, and with the Cololight Mix, you can definitely see that the color is there, it is vibrant. There's a lot of light put into one spot rather than spread out to make it look a bit washed out. So I do really appreciate that when it comes to the Cololight Mix. Now, as you can see, they are modular. I currently have 5 of them, but you've got 3 options for buying these. Now, you can just buy one singular Cololight Mix starter kit. Well, it's not even a starter kit, it's just a 1-pack. This is what you would use to get completely started at a beginner level. And then you can just buy 1 or 2 or 3 or however many you want extension kits. Or you can get a starter bundle, which is 1 base module and then 2 extension kits. So that would give you 3 lights. As you can see, the more lights you have, the more creative you can get. Now, in the initial kit, you get the Cololight Mix core, then you get a USB Type-C charging cable, and you also get connection plates. Now, these connection plates are what send the light from module to module, and they work really easy. Just clip them in just like that. It works fine. As you can see, they're stacked up nicely here, and then they also come with 2 little bits of double-sided tape to mount them to walls and whatnot. They are a bit loose if you just use the connection plates to connect them, but as you can see, it looks great. You can put that anywhere you want. You can mount it anywhere you want. So it looks fine and really easy to do. Now, that's in the initial kit. Then if you get extension packs, they also come with extension plates. Now the USB Type-C charging cable can be used to plug into an existing power outlet, and you can also buy a 24 volt 1 amp power adapter from Cololight. It's an Australian model. You can get it for wherever you are located, but that works fine. That's what I've got plugged in right now to run this. Now these are rated for 30,000 lifetime hours, which is a megaton. I mean, that's a lot of hours. So I love them, I really do. And I also do use these at night just for like a dim light to add a bit of color to the room, but also just as a dim light so people can see where they're going if they get up in the middle of the night. So they have multiple features here, and they're not just for the gaming setup. As you can see, they're good for filming with, for a studio, but they're also good just to add a bit of color, a bit of brightness, a splash of life to the living area or the kitchen area, depending on where you want to use it. They really are quite flexible and you can be used anywhere. Now in each little circle there is 37 little LEDs, so that's plenty, and that's why you get that light that just looks like one complete light. Now powering this to make it all work seamlessly is a dual core processor, which I think is great to see that sort of processor in a light. Gives you that flexibility. That's what enables it also to change to the beat of music. Now that's also what lets you program the app to give you that self-customization. I think it's great. And it's also compatible with Google and Alexa. And sorry for triggering your smart device. It really is what I would say is dynamic lighting. And it also has that 16 million colors. And they have these tiny little independent light beads that give you that overall look, which I think is awesome. Now we're just going to have a quick look through some of the colors that we have here. Then we just have the solid colors, and here we are. We're going to go through a quick some of them. So we got lettuce green, then we got primrose yellow, then we have green flash, then we have cockatoo, which is a nice color, then we have dazzling blue, ultraviolet, spring crocus, rhodamine red, tea light color. I really like tea light at about 1% at night just to give a bit of light to the lounge area. Same with rose quartz. It's nice and subtle, but does have its own color. I really love that one too. And then we go into cadmium yellow, and then back to gray, Maui blue, and then back to pink yarrow. So many choices here. I absolutely love the color lights. Like I said, I've been a fan of theirs for a long time. I've been reviewing light strips and light bulbs and smart this and smart that. And one of my favorite lights has been the Cololight. And now I've got this to add to it. So I can recommend it definitely. I think maybe they could offer a couple more mounting options. That would be the only option I would like to see added in, because that double-sided tape only allows you to mount it in certain ways, and it's great if your wall is flat, but if you want to mount it to something that isn't quite as flat, like a windowsill, then you got to be a bit creative, which is okay, but that's one thing I would change. Other than that, absolutely love the Cololight mix and the extension kit or the starter kit. I think it's great. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I'm really digging it. Thank you, Cololight, for sending this out. We really appreciate it over here at C-Dubs Media. And there's a link down below to the light if you do want to pick them up. First 100 customers get 10% off. And if you use my link, put in my code, and I get a little bit of a kickback as well. So here's my code. Thanks everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Catch you all in the next video, and I love your views. Thank you.